Here it is, you guys. Boosted. Is that what this is?
Yeah, that's what we're racing today.
This is pretty sick. At first I thought it was the other guy with the Datsun.
That's him. Yep. That's it.
I didn't know that was him.
We got a new exhaust setup. Fuck, all new everything really. All new front.
Jeez, I didn't even know you worked with him.
Yeah, that's what I work for now.
Oh, now. So Volkswagen, whatever, you're out of there. Where's my camera?
No, I'm with.
There. Oh, thank you. Sorry. One of you guys? You threw the hat.
That's who I work for. That's where I went to.
That's it. Hey, you do a bunch of cool shit there? Hey, go. Do your thing.
What's up, man?
How'd you do?
Did good. Oh, I haven't run yet.
Oh, fuck.
I'm fucking already came out of qualification, dog. Fucked.
Wait, what?
Oh, dude.
Qualifying now,
Yeah,
right?
qualifying right now, dude. I haven't even gotten to run at all.
Me neither.
And I'm on street tires still.
And I know my tire pressure is all jacked up right now.
You checked again, but
Yeah, I found it shitty.
oh,
It like did 2 tires all good, and then the last one
and
was
then the
all
last one was
struggling.
like, oh hell no,
I was
don't
like,
fuck with me.
yeah, I was like,
Shit.
nah, it's not gonna happen now.
Yeah, so Turbo Direct is selling his
Yeah.
That's what he put on
Makes
Will Vivo.
sense.
He made like 860.
Yeah, he made good power. He made real good power.
Don't mind.
No, you're good, man. You're good. Almost. I know.
Lane 7, bracket cars, your first call. Drivers need to be in your cars. You're next. Car 3343, right lane. 11-3 to buck and quarter. Left lane.
Was about to catch up though. I know the mile per hour was lower, but that was a good pass. I think I 60-footed the hell out of him. That was a good pass. I'm convinced. Going slicks, guys. I just gotta watch out through the water burnout. That wheel hop I felt, and I gotta let off. And I let off when I realized it, pretty much. I don't know if it's personal best though. Thank you, sir. You're welcome. Woo! 11.3. 1.860 foot. I gotta get that down to a 1.4. If I can get that down to a 1.4, I can do a 10-second pass. Oh my gosh. Personal best, guys, 11.3. Yes. I gotta get some more air in these tires. Hell yeah. Super stoked. Alright. Gotta get some air in these tires and go from there. This guy was coming around me. I don't know where, but he definitely was.
Hey, what's up, man?
How's it going?
Not bad, you?
Doing alright.
Did you break 11s yet?
Yeah, I've done 11.8 before, and I just did 11.3.
Oh, awesome. Yeah,
Yeah.
Seems like Gabriel's having more issues with this setup than the old one.
Right.
Yeah, that's like tough standard, dude.
He is. It's because he doesn't have his Cholo slicks.
Oh, that's right.
Mm-hmm.
Dude, I told him, I said, why'd you sell them? Well, they were too small. I said, well, now you don't have any.
Exactly. Yep, exactly. But love the Evo.
Where you guys parked at?
Right around, I don't know if the yellow Corvette's there, but there's a yellow Corvette and my white Trailblazer. If you follow me, I'm going there right now. Okay. Hell yeah, guys. 10 second is there. Holy right there. I still have more in this. That was a pass right there. Holy crap. like, oh, okay, let off. Don't do that again.
Just,
I think I'm gonna just drive
Go
through
around
there.
it.
Go, you think go around it?
yeah, you got a lot of wheel speed, so I don't know how long you're.
Alright guys, my clutch does not feel right. I gotta definitely get that adjusted, which will be the next thing to fix on this. But next round, this guy's gone to 10.9. So let's see what happens. Oh, you cocksucker. Didn't write it out. Damn it, guys. Broke again.
Did it run?
It doesn't go forward, no.
Okay.
I might be able to reverse it.
It'll only go on reverse.
Nah. Yeah. It's a little heavy. Want me to go off that way? Okay.
Seeing how this thing launched up this bottom just started roll, like that would have been like a 1/360.
Oh.
What to do? Won't go forward. Start going back a little bit.
Yeah, but then I think the cable's wrong.
Bring a pinion?
So trying to move it all.
So many times. No, it doesn't go forward.
Yeah, you literally start spinning all four. The car squatted and started rolling. I was like, dude, it's gonna be good. And then you just stopped moving. I was all, no.
Did he snap an axle? Snap the axle?
I think so. I just don't know how many.
I just don't know how many. I like the fact that in the back of his vehicle, his boxes of axles.
I like that answer. I just don't know how many.
Okay.
Front bumper or anything, so it was a bitch taking off the lights, and it'd be even worse
Right.
with the twin disc.
It's that linkage? It's moving forward.
Yeah, it probably just popped off.
Hey, I think that is broken though.
Hey,
go to the other side. I think I broke the center diff. Let's see if you guys can see it. Broke the center diff and something else with the transmission. RIP. Watch. So spin in the rears. Transfer case spins. Drive shaft spins from the back. Doesn't spin up front. So, I don't know. Pretty disappointed. Spinning the front wheels. Center diff is probably broken. And something in the transmission because it keeps popping out. So, waiting on a tow truck. But at least I had my personal best today, guys. Boostedboiz leaving. Import Faceoff in Tucson. I'll be the last one waiting for a goddamn tow truck. The bully. Get home. Finally. 4 hours later of waiting for a tow truck.